Hello everybody and welcome to my video today. This is going to be a little bit of a short one because I just want to share a few things with you. It has been a little bit since I had a card video up on my website and here on YouTube, and these cards are really fun and I'm really excited to share with you. So this is my very last Blessed2Craft class, which means it's my very last regular card class that I will be doing, and I thought I would make it a Christmas class for Christmas cards and just open it up to everybody and celebrate, I don't know, celebrate this moment. So I'm not saying that I'm never gonna do a card class again, but as far as the near future, it will probably be very few and far in between. And I thought it would be really fun to just offer this class to everyone with several different options. These cards were so beautiful to create. I loved it. I used this paper right here. Both of the things that I used today for these cards are on the online exclusive. And I don't know about you, but I just recently started tuning in to what's on the online exclusive part of the Stampin' Up website. I am loving this paper. I used this paper a lot in our paper party we recently had. I had gotten it to give as a pillow gift and started using it and could not stop. It is just simply gorgeous. It is the best like Christmas wintry paper. I did some really fun techniques with it in the paper party where I sprayed it with glitter. I sprayed this one with all gold glitter and it totally looked like the house was really truly glowing. It was so gorgeous. So that is the paper that I am using, this beautiful winter paper. And then the next item that I'm using for this class is this stamp set right here. It is So Very Merry, and it is again on the online exclusive. So let me show you these cards and walk you through what you get when you sign up for this class. The first option that you can do, if you just want a PDF to get the photos of these cards and the measurements of everything that I used and how it all came together, that's just going to be $5, and you just get the straight PDF. You don't have to worry about anything else. I know that is an option that works for a lot of you where you already have your product and you just want to see exactly what I did and how I did it. So there is a PDF for that. In this class, I'm going to be doing some really fun gold embossing and some emboss resist. You can see that beautiful gold on the bird right there and the glitter. And then I also embossed the sentiment. So the first option is if you just want to see the measurements and you want to do these cards, you can get that for $5. There is a link in the description below and on my website. If you want the full class, you can get that for $45. And what you're gonna get when you spend $45 is you'll get the stamp set. So that will be really awesome to have in your Christmas collection. I really loved the stamp set and using it. You will get a quarter pack of the designer paper. So this pattern paper, you'll get a whole quarter pack of that so that you can use it on all of the different cards. You will get all of the card bases and everything you see to make the actual cards. So the card bases, the layers. I will also include envelopes in this class. I, in recent years, have not been including envelopes in all of my classes, but you will get envelopes for these cards. And then you will also get a sheet of regular clear rhinestones. So these are a holiday assortment. I just wanted to show you like what the rhinestones looked like. They don't have, Stampin' Up! Doesn't have these holiday rhinestones anymore, so they'll just be clear, but you'll get a package of that. And then you will also get these fun red sequins, which are just in my stash. And so they're not a Stampin' Up! Item. They're just something that I have in my stash, and I love them so much, and they go beautifully on these cards, so I will include some of that. And then you will get a colored PDF where you'll have all of the measurements for all of the cards that we're making, and then there is an exclusive video of me actually putting all of these cards together, doing the coloring on this, doing the heat embossing, and then the coloring and showing how I did that and giving this really beautiful like stained glass look. I just love the way that this came out. So that is $45. That includes shipping. So you will get that priority mail within 2 days and it will ship. So those are the two options. Yeah, so there's 3 options. Rewind, let me just go back. 3 options. The first option is you can just get the full class for $45. You get everything. Everything to make it, the PDF, the video, all of the things, plus the paper, the stamp set, the rhinestones, all of it, okay? All of the things, and you can make this. It'll be super fun. The second option is if you just want the stamp set. If you're like, wow, I did not know that that stamp set was on the online exclusives, like I didn't realize it was. If you buy the stamp set, I will send you the PDF for free. So if that's all you want to do is just get that stamp set, you can do that. You'll just use the host code below. You'll place your order. You'll get the stamp set and I'll send you the PDF and the video for free. So you just buy the stamp set, you get the PDF, the video for free, and then maybe you have all of the other supplies and you just want to make them yourself or you want to make multiples. And then if you just want the PDF and you just want to see how I made the cards, that is $5 below. And these are the cards. So this is my last Blessed2Craft project. I've been doing Blessed2Craft, my monthly club now, for several years. I think 4 years now I've been doing this, and it's just time to do something a little bit different. So I am a little sad to see it go because I do enjoy designing the projects every month, but it's just time for something new. So this will be my very last Blessed2Craft. If you have joined me in the past for Blessed2Craft or you currently are joining me, thank you so much for all your support and hanging out with me, making beautiful cards with me over the last few years. And I'm really looking forward to some fun things in the future that I am planning to do. So those options to purchase the class are in the description below or over at my website. And if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment or you can email me at Katina Martinez at live.com. My full name, no spaces, at live.com. And I am happy to answer any questions and get back to you. So thank you so much. And I will be back later this week with more projects for you guys. Have a wonderful week. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. Here on the screen are 2 other videos that you can check out. If you would like to see other videos from me, please hit that subscribe button and like this video so that YouTube will be nice to me, and all links for the class will be in the YouTube description below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.